Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel's VBA series tutorial 8. So wherein we talk about variables and data types. Guys, variable and data type both are very important chapter, so you have to be very careful around understanding this thing. So what is variable? As name suggests, anything which keeps change is variable, right? Variable are used to store data that can be manipulated, processed in a program. So why it is saying like manipulated, that means it can be changed. So unlike constant cannot be changed, it is fixed, right? So although I will talk about constant in different video, but today we'll focus on this thing only. To declare a variable in VBA, you can use dimension dim. Dim statement is necessary. It is a keyword and you will have to declare any variable. So dim is a keyword where could be anything, I, j, k, anything, your name. So that is a variable name. And edge again is a keyword and integer is data type. So this is data type, this is variable. So we can declare dim var as integer. This is my integer data type. Let's talk about data types in VBA. So these are the data types in VBA. Boolean takes 2 bytes and it can store either true or false, what we call 1 and 0. Then byte takes 1 byte, 0 to 255 character. Integer, it takes 2 bytes size, 32,767. Long takes 4 bytes and this is the range. Currency 8 bytes, single 4 bytes, and double, which stores float values. Float means decimal values like 2.6, 2.5 and so on. Date contains 8 bytes. String contains string just like welcome message, right? So it contains variable and the 2 billion characters is the range. And variant is the default data types in VBA. So here let me declare one integer type of variable as price as integer. Price is my integer type of variable. Let me assign this variable as 500, right? And now if I want to read back that 500 in cell 2 comma 1, that means A2, range A2. So this, that's how. So you can see first I declare this variable as price as integer. I assign this integer as 500. So a price equal to 500 and assign back them that price to cell A2. So cell range A2 will contain 500. Alternatively, what I can do, since I've declared variable, so I can change its value later in my code, right? So now I want to write 800 in B2. So what I need to do, I have to change this, right? So first it was 500, it will put here and then 800. So since it is a variable, so it keeps on changing its values as long as possible, right? So now you can see 500 and 800 in A2 and B2 respectively. So that's how you can change this, right? So in further video we will talk about other data types as well. Thanks for watching.